Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video explains you about Looker Studio. Looker Studio is Google's powerful tool for creating interactive dashboards and visual reports. It is similar to Microsoft Power BI. Both platforms work on the same principles of connecting data, visualizing insights, and helping you to make data-driven decisions. Power BI mostly desktop-based solution, while Looker Studio is fully online and it is integrated with Google's different services. So this is the main interface of Looker Studio, where you can create a dashboard from template gallery, or you can start from scratch. Before to start new dashboard, you have to clear your dataset. Sometimes datasets may consist of empty columns, empty rows, duplicated data. After that, we will click the blank report and choose the connectors. In our case, my dataset in the format of Google Sheet, therefore I will select here Google Sheet connector. In the future, you can try BigQuery, Excel, CSV file, or even Google Analytics. So after that, you can see the list of available spreadsheet files in your Google Drive. Select your dataset first and then click Add button. Okay, hold your data which are available in your table's header section, like a brand and their characteristics, also available in the right panel side of your Looker Studio. This is my data, this is my toolboxes, so this is my workspace. The workspace suggests has two types of layouts. The first layout is a freeform, which means you can create a fixed size of report. Another one is a responsive layout, which means the layout can be automatically structured by your device type. It's better to use the second option. So we got the simple template here that we have to fill out according to our task. First, we will start from the title. Every dashboard or report should contain a title. So it's possible to work with a style option, which allows you to change the background color, change the style of the text, as well as the color of the text. Second task, it says we have to create a scorecard. The first scorecard should display number of devices in the dataset. Second one, average price of devices. In Google Sheet, we used to work with the count function, also average functions. Now we will try them in our Looker Studio. First, we have to go to Add a Chart, select Scorecard, or you can try directly inside of your layout. Starting from Scorecard, we have to manage these two options. First, Setup, second is a Style. In Setup, we will mostly work with dimensions and metrics. Difference between these two, metrics works with numerical data, where we have to apply different types of functions like sum, max, mean, average, count. Dimension, it is just to display data from a dataset without any kind of calculations. So it says metric has a record count. As a result, we may see in the dataset we have 11,768 laptop data, which is our first scorecard. Let's go to now style option. Let me resize font size. Let's make it bigger. Font color. That's it. Since I have a second scorecard, I can easily press Ctrl D or Command T to duplicate it and just change few data from setup option. First, we need to display not a record count, it has to be price. Next to price, you can see the function, it displays sum of price. We will click the pencil button to replace sum with average. Here we are. Third task, it says about controller. Controller, it means drop down. So we have to manage our whole dashboard by brand types. Add a control, drop down list. Okay, for example, if I will choose Apple only, whole your dashboard will be updated based on Apple values. Or you can try more than 2 laptop brands. Where next to brand you have this small icon which allows you to tick on all items which are available inside of dropdown. Styling the same. Font color and size of the text. Number 4, table, number of laptops for all brands with their resolutions. Let's go to Add a Chart, select the table. First, let's go to Setup. Dimensions should contain brand. Dimension also should contain resolution since there is no calculation required inside of resolution. Also, we have to count now how many Apple devices, how many Asus devices are available. So therefore, we don't need to display price. We have to select here record count since we need to count them. Okay, let's resize the size of the table. And after setup, we have to go to style. First, my task it is rename this table. So you can change the header color. Number 5, bar chart, average price for each brand available. So let's go again, add a chart, bar chart. First, I have to display brands and dimensions part, and then I need to indicate here not record count, it has to be average of price. Step 2, it's style. Let's give a proper title here. Number 6, table GPU by Apple brand. In Google Sheet, Excel, we used to work with filter. Now on task 6, we will try to work filter in Looker Studio. The same, table first. In setup, we should display brand and their GPU. We will delete the price from the matrix. To apply the filter, let's scroll down a little bit, click the plus symbol, create a filter. So the field has to be brand. While typing the value, you have to make sure that it is the same like in your dataset. Click to save. So we got here 7 data, all of them are Apple, but with different GPUs. Let's go to style and name it. Last one is a pie chart, which should show the share of operating systems. In setup, we have to display not a brand, operating system. And metrics part, we don't need to display price, we should count them. Here we are. Let's go to style last time. So this is one of the examples how you can easily manage your big data sets. Next time you can download your dashboard in the format of PDF file, or it's possible to share it like Google Sheet or Google document files. We can also add another data, but for another data it's better to create new page. So if you create the new page, it's possible to switch from page 1 to page 2. Okay, in this point I will stop my video. Try Looker Studio and see how easily you can manage a dataset and create really compelling visual dashboards.